Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Basic concepts of Islamic economics. From Principles of Economics by Ahsan Khan. 2.5% is the rate of Zakat, which is very important in Islamic economics and Islamic finance. It is also known as 1 over 40. Islam is the great religion described by the acceptance of the principle of one Allah and Muhammad, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, Khatamun Nabiyyin, as the chief and the last prophet of Allah. Islamic State means the real government is of Allah and the state authorities are only given responsibilities as a trust. Islam has its own economic system which is known as Islamic Economic System. Zakat is a transfer payment which Sahib-e Nisab Muslim pays at the given rates 2.5% or 1 over 40 by themselves or through the Islamic State to the poor and the needy after 1 year. A Muslim person which is responsible to pay zakat is called or known by Sahib-e Nisab. According to the Holy Quran, the following 8 are payees of zakat: the poor, the needy, the collectors of zakat, and comforts, slaves, the debtors, the travelers, and in the way of Allah. Zakat and tax are different. Zakat is religious while tax is a legal government duty. Zakat imposed on the Muslims only while tax is imposed on the Muslims and non-Muslims. The rate of zakat is fixed and rate of tax is variable and Muslims pay zakat happily while people try to avoid paying tax. Zakat is different from tax on the basis of origin, feeling, religious, rate, purpose, time and allocation, etc. If value of cash is equal to the value of 52.5 tolas silver and 7.5 tolas of gold, then zakat is levied. Moral importance of zakat. Zakat is a pillar of Islam. Zakat is a monetary worship. Its payment realizes that blessings of Allah. Zakat purifies the growth of money, income and wealth. Zakat gives satisfaction to the zakat payers. Social importance of zakat. Zakat system reduces the crimes in the society. Zakat improves the living standard of the people. Zakat increases the welfare in society. Zakat develops the brotherhood and removes the bad habits. Economic importance of Zakat. Zakat reduces the concentration of wealth and makes fair distribution of resources. Zakat is helpful to increase consumption and demand. Zakat increases the production and investment. Zakat increases the circulation and distribution of wealth. Ushr is a payment 1/10, 1 over 10, 10% in case of Barani land, land irrigated by rain or natural spring, made by the farmers of the land to Islamic government. Rate of Usher is 1/20th. 1 over 20 is equal to 5%, which is also called humus. In the case of artificially irrigated land, land irrigated by tube canal system, etc., made by the farmer to the land, made by the farmer of the land to the Islamic government. The rate of Usher is 1/5, 1 over 5, or 20% of the produce of the in the case of minerals, which is also known as double Usher. Impact of Zakat on production. Zakat reduces the concentration of wealth. Zakat increases the level of consumption and investment. Zakat increases the productivity and skill of the society, and Zakat increases the marginal propensity to consume. Impact of Zakat on distribution. Redistribution of national wealth, change in the composition of demand, reallocation of resources, and higher demand for necessities as compared to luxuries. Zakat and the Usher system was implemented in the systematic way in Pakistan on 20th June 1980, and the very next day Zakat was received. President of that time of Pakistan General Zia-ul-Haq implemented this system by a government ordinance. At present, Zakat is deducted on every first of Ramzan. On 1st January 1980, more than 7,000 branches of various banks started the interest-free banking by the order of Zia-ul-Haq. Payment of interest was replaced by the profit and loss account in 1981. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.